Have you ever needed an answer to a question, but didn't know who to ask? Have you ever wondered if there is a tool that can answer any question you have, anytime, anywhere? Introducing ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language model created by OpenAI. It can understand and answer questions in over 40 different languages, which means there are no limits to what you can ask. Interactions in this tool are conducted through an online chat platform, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Simply enter a request and within seconds, you will get a response. There are many ways in which this tool can be useful in the academic context. For example, ChatGPT can help you generate lists of project ideas that you can implement in class. It can also be useful for those who work in a specific field and need quick answers to technical questions. For example, medical professionals can use ChatGPT to find information about a specific disease or treatment. Just don't forget to validate the information before using it. The way ChatGPT was trained can lead to answers that include biases or inaccuracies. ChatGPT can also be used to improve foreign language learning or to adapt texts to the target audience. As you can see, ChatGPT is an agile tool with a very broad application potential in the classroom. So don't wait any longer, start exploring it and discover the potential it can have in your classes. To find more information about tools and use cases of artificial intelligence, go to ceddie.tech.mx and click on the Innovation section. And remember that we are at your service at CEDDIE's Zoom connection.